Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply tap on the bottom of the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon, one below the brightness, right here. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, like that. And as you can see, the icon changed color. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can also tell by going back to watch face, and here we have this Do Not Disturb mode icon that says that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel and then tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon again. And once the icon is grayed out, that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. We can also enable the Do Not Disturb mode by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On the phone, let's open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now let's scroll down and find the option called Advanced. Tap on it. And here we have Do Not Disturb option. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on the switch next to it, like this. As you can see, it got enabled. And to disable it, simply tap on the switch again, like this. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.